The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today discussed the plight of the areca nut or betel nut farmers in the state. UDP MLA Lakshman Rumboi asked if the government could tie up with marketing facilities and come up with a minimum support price for areca nut, adding that areca nut farmers across the state are distressed because the price of areca nut has come down compared to last year. In her reply, Agriculture Minister Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lyngdoh acknowledged that there has been a surge of production of areca nut in the state. She informed the House that 46 processing units consisting of a working shed, dehusking machines, solar tunnel, dryers and soaked pits are being set up across 21 blocks in 10 districts at a total cost of Rs 14.06 crore. 34 units have been completed and the remaining 12 units will be completed in the coming months. Furthermore, Rumboi said areca nut is an indigenous product and stressed the need to consider the income of the farmers despite the health issues it poses. Delivering a supplementary reply, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the government of India had listed areca nut as unhealthy but stated that the stand of the government has always been that it is an indigenous product and thousands of farmers depend on it. That the government support the farmers in different ways.
Numbers is half from what it is last year. So this caused a big loss to the farmer of the state. That means the income, the production is more, but their income is less. So I earnestly request the government to see that, to tie up with the marketing facilities, people, so that the price of the areca nut will not come down that much.